13 is to discuss and possibly take action to adopt an ordinance to make Waterfall Street a fire lane. This parking issue has become a concern due to the width of the street and may enable fire trucks and emergency vehicles to have clearance. Roland, did you put this on here? Do you want to talk about it?
Yes, carried from last meeting, it's something me and Chris looked at.
Okay.
There's a problem with that on Waterfall, the narrowness of the road and vehicles being parked on it, to where it gets to the point now where we need to come up with some other way of fixing the problem that over there. That road is, I think, 19 feet wide, and when a vehicle parks on that, leaves like 11 feet. And I think you can talk to somebody that thinks that they need at least some certain amount of feet.
Emergency vehicles, so they need a minimum of 9 with appropriate turning radius.
Yeah.
And the way cars are parking at that intersection, the turning radius is not there at all. They can't get in.
So last meeting, they had discussed this and told Andy to check into what we can do as a city. And that's what we're at.
Andy, do you want to report on that, or?
Well, I prepared an ordinance for the council.
Okay.
Andy, how would this be posted as no parking? By signage?
You probably want to do signs and curb, paint curves.
Is this just fine only, no tow?
So it's included in that.
Where's the
Immediate tow.
Yeah, in section D.
So are y'all ready to make a motion?
Ma'am, excuse me,
I'm sorry.
I'm Deborah Martinez, I live on Waterfall.
Okay, would you come up?
Can we read what y'all have, or as a homeowner?
Can we, if we want to read it aloud?
You want to read it? Okay.
Bid ordained by the City Council of the City of Glen, Texas, Section 72.20, the Code of Ordinances of the City of Glen, Texas is hereby amended, adding Section 72.20 to provide as follows. The city hereby establishes a no parking fire lane on Waterfall Street to assure that adequate right-of-way is maintained for the ingress and egress of police, fire, and other emergency vehicles, so that adequate police, fire, and other emergency services can be provided to the residents located on this street. B, any person who shall violate any provision of this ordinance shall be deemed guilty of a misdemeanor. The vehicle shall be immobilized and towed by authority of subchapter 1, section 2308.354 of the Texas Occupation Code. The Texas towing law, and upon conviction shall be fined in the amount not to exceed $200. Each continuing day shall be deemed a separate offense. C, in the event any clause, provision, sentence, or part of this ordinance or the application of the same to any person or circumstance shall be, for any reason, be adjudged invalid or held unconstitutional by a court of competent jurisdiction, it shall not affect, impair, or invalidate this ordinance as a whole or any part or provision hereof other than the part declared to be invalid or unconstitutional. And the City Council of the City of Glen, Texas declares that it would have passed each and every part to be invalid or unconstitutional, whether there be one or more parts. D, this ordinance shall take effect immediately from and after passage, publication, and when signs are erected giving notice thereof. Thereafter, no person shall park a vehicle at any time on Waterfall Street.